Now if I go back to YouTube, it takes a second. It says it's connecting. Look, there's my code. It's out in the world. And then, so whatever I do in Sonic Pi, now everyone should be able to see. I'd say the delay right now is probably like 20 seconds or so. Maybe less than that. It's probably less than that. So basically, in OBS, there's settings, stream, and you enter the stream key. And that's what's going to make the magic happen. That's the most important part, is that you get the stream key, you put it in OBS, and then you hit start streaming. Yeah? Does that make sense? So for our final performance, what we'll do is we'll make like a set list and we'll have set times. And then everyone will have this same stream key. And we'll actually practice this in a minute. But basically, you just put in that stream key to your OBS and it will stream to that URL. We'll all stream to the same YouTube, one after another. It's May 4th, yeah, at noon. So last class. What would be our normal last class time? Yeah, 12. All right, so that's the streaming. Put the stream key here. There's a couple other things in OBS that are kind of neat. Start stream. That might be useful. So one is this idea of like scenes. So if this is our first scene, we can actually make a second scene. Same, just using the plus arrow. So here's scene 2. In this one, I literally just have a video playing. Here, I just add, and it's media source. Create one. And then you just like can literally upload a video file. You can loop it, right? So it can be short. So I can like go in between my two scenes, right? This is all still streaming. See, there's the stream. There it goes back to the other one, right? You can see the delay now, and then it will be delayed again based on whatever you're watching. So I can like go between two windows seamlessly. There's also that thing called studio mode. This allows me to crossfade. It's not happy. Why aren't you happy? There we go. So this is whatever scene I'm viewing, and this is the output over here. So there's like, I can either crossfade between the two as a transition, or I could just keep it. So, for example, if you have a pre-recorded visual behind your code, this is another example of how you might do it. Then you can also like move this in different places, or maybe I get rid of this and just do a video capture, right? So then I can put like a giant version of my face behind my code. And then in a second, this should change over. I think it's playing the whole thing. Yeah, it's like insisting on playing the whole thing first. That's a little annoying, but yeah, you get the idea. You can have two things going and crossfade them, which could be helpful depending on what you're doing for your live stream. So that's under studio mode if you wanted to do it that way. Whoa. The giant me. And then when you're done, I'm still streaming.